In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use status columns in Monday.com. Monday.com, fast and easy. We all know that navigating new tools can sometimes feel overwhelming, but worry not. Today we're diving into how versatile and efficient the status columns on Monday.com can be, and you'll be up and running in no time. First things first, it's essential to make sure that a status column is added to your board. When you're in your Monday.com workspace, head over to your board and look for the Add Column button. This is usually represented by a plus sign on the far right side. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu select Status to add a status column. This column will be where you can track the progress of tasks or projects with ease. Now that you have your status column set up, let's talk about how you can change the status labels. Simply click on a status cell within your board to change the label of that particular task. This action should bring up a menu allowing you to select from predefined labels or create custom ones if needed. This is one of the features that makes using Monday.com intuitive, quick clicking, and selecting tailored options to suit your needs. Speaking of statuses, Monday.com offers an intuitive color coding system to help you visually organize and prioritize your tasks. You can use preset labels like working on it, stuck, or done, each with their own distinct color. This way you can see the status of multiple tasks at a glance, helping you and your team stay on top of each individual's progress. Don't forget, though, that you can always customize these labels to better fit the specific lingo or milestones that your team uses. To do this, head over to the column header, which is essentially the name of your status column, and click on the small drop-down arrow or ellipsis that appears. This should give you access to your column settings. From here, click on Edit Labels, and you'll be able to change existing labels or add new ones. Customizing your labels is beneficial because it aligns the tool with your team's workflow, making the transition to Monday.com as seamless as possible. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to add and effectively use status columns in Monday.com. Always remember that a bit of customization can go a long way in making a tool work for you. Whether you're working on a solo project or coordinating across teams, these status columns can drastically enhance your workflow and keep everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to check out the rest of our series for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Monday.com experience.